Two fellas crouching on the railway line, looking down the path and waiting for a sign. On the railway tracks in the evening light, it's Neo and Smith standing ready to fight. But what if the train had broken down that day? Would it not look awkward and kinda gay to see these two dudes standing on the tracks and hugging each other like they are on crack? Checking his watch, I'm enjoying this game, but I'd enjoy it more if the subway came. And I'm sorry, Neo, I'd be less emotive if it weren't for that stupid goddamn locomotive. Neo rolls his eyes, you are always the same, and standing here like this is making us look lame. Are we out of bullets? Can we not get some before you hug me to death like you're on my mom? You pathetic boy, don't you doubt my ability? You hear that sound? That's inevitability. The train is coming, I can hear it well. Oh, that was just me farting, please ignore the smell. So there they wait with their arms combined, Neo bored to death and Smith losing his mind. They would rather be fighting in the pouring rain, the hug on the tracks, waiting for a train.